Now we can check the status of SonarQube. See this status of running. Yeah. Now we can go to Jenkins dashboard. This is a colon package, right? I want to change the URL and I want to change the token and I want to add the clean sonar colon sonar package, right? Apply and save here and build now. Now SonarQube is built or not? We can check. That the third build, okay? Okay, for the third build is successfully done. This is a console output. Okay, this is a console output. Okay, so for the next we can go to. Okay, this is a where is the repository? ICICI Bank release and snapshot repository is also available. Go here. Now, yeah, I'll go to sign in here. Admin and admin. Okay, I'll go to sign in here. This snapshot's also working, but I will create new. Okay, because everything is I'll create new. Okay, that's the reason. ICICI Bank, delete the repository, and yes, snapshot, delete here. Okay, everything I'm creating the new pattern. Okay, Maven 2 hoster, I want to create a release repository, right? This is a release. Copy here and paste here, and here's an ICICI Bank release repository. That's it. My release repository was successfully created, right? Another occur while serving what is another? Okay, this name is already available. Okay. Again, I want to get once the name is not applicable. That is the reason. No problem. Okay. This is a release ICICI Bank. I want to remove this also. Everything is newly. Okay, release ICICI Bank. Create repository. Maven 2 host. 1 second. Sign. Admin and admin. Okay, every server is working now for the 15 minutes of process actually. Going to browse and repositories and create repository and Maven 2 hosted, and we go to snapshot is there, right? We copy here snapshot, again snapshot here and ICICI. Okay, this is a snapshot repository. That's it. Now I want to do repositories were successfully created. Okay, so now I want to release snapshot. I want to copy here. So this is a release snapshot. Copy. I'll go to code. Okay. So where is my stages? This is a ICICI Bank related stages of distribution management and deploy the code orchestration. And we'll go to add the release repository. Right. So this is a release states. Control V. Okay. Release repository. And the name is release ICICI Bank dev, right? So we can change the name also. Okay, ICICI Bank. Control V. See, this is release ICICI Bank release repository. Now I will go to snapshot. I want to remove the snapshot stage. Yeah, I'll remove here, and I'll go to dashboard. This is a release, and I will go to snapshot and copy here. Okay, and copy here. I'm going to code and we'll add the snapshot repository. Okay, this is a snapshot repository. Now we'll change the name. Okay, copy here, and this is a snapshot, right? Now I want to add Control B. Snapshot ICICI Bank. Double KL added. Okay, that's it. Commit changes. Once the code is successfully configured, done. Okay, now the Nexus configuration is successfully done. Guys, please send the Nexus configuration. User admin configuration is there, right? Just share the chat box immediately. Okay. Now I'll configure the SSH. Control N. Going to enter and going to path here. Ls here. Okay. Now we can go to CD tools. Okay. The configuration is available or not. How to check? We can go to tools path and this is a Hadoop task Maven installation path. Now we can go to that path because whatever the configurations we have to build in Sona in Jenkins dashboard, that configurations is visible, right? 3.9.11 is visible, right? Now I'll go to Jenkins dashboard. This is a manage Jenkins. This is a ICICI dev. Going to configure. Okay. Now I'll configure the 3.9.11 already configured, right? Now I'll go to configure 3.9.12. Okay. This is my fourth build. Okay. Now I'll build here. Now I'll configure the 3.9.12. Okay. My fourth build. 3.9.12 is a build or not, whether check. That is a Maven version. Right? Whether going to Jenkins terminal, if give the ls. See, before 3.9.11 is visible, now 3.9.12 is visible. Now I'll change some configurations of 3.9.12. Okay. So if in case 3.11 also will work, guys, no problem. Both are will take, but whatever the version we have to take, just we can configure that. Okay, this is a configuration file of 3.9.11 12 version of Maven. Now I'll go to change the directory CD. So now I am entering into CD path. Okay, in the CD path settings.xml file is available. This is a Maven related configuration. Once we have to configure this file, automatically we can give in the addressing path. Okay, so this addressing, whatever the repositories we have to create, that repositories like a build distributing purpose, we have to use the this Maven 3.9.11 configuration file. Okay, in the serial escape shift colon WQ and SCMU, the serial number. Okay, so I want to configure file. The configure file is available in chat box. Okay, Avinash, okay, Vamshi, thank you for sharing this configuration file. And now I want to take this configuration file. Okay, I want to add the configuration file. So I want to change the indentation because indentation is a very mandatory. Okay, now one step is back. Server is one step back. And the username is one step back, but ID, password, everything is the same lines. Okay, and I will go to server and top server, end of the server is the same. Okay, that's it. Will work or not, whether check. Only one spaces we can give. Oh, sorry. Okay. 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 My Nexus user ID password admin. If in case you can change the password, no? Just if you can change the password also. Okay. Whatever the password you have to give, that password you can give. Okay, now the configuration is successfully done. Now we'll go to Jenkins dashboard. See, this going to configure. Okay. Now we'll go to configuration and yeah. 3.9.1 is available, right? Now we'll go to deploy. Okay, now we'll go to deploy. Okay, what is the main purpose of using in deploy? Whether whatever the configuration of Jenkins, whatever the version you have to take, so I'll do the deploy. Why? Okay, so now apply and save here and build now. So my fifth build, okay, the repositories. Okay, So the repository is successfully available or not, we can check. Okay, going to browse option. This is the browse option. Going to browse here. See this ICICI Bank, and one second, snapshot. Okay, the code is available. If in case we can change the code, na automatically the repository also we can build. Okay, so application is successfully built. Okay, so this is a freestyle project we have to discuss. The freestyle is successfully available and freestyle is successfully working. The deploying purpose we have to use the Nexus. Okay, and from scratch onwards I will explain the project. If in case up to Nexus any queries, guys?
No, ma'am.
Now everything is fine. So
Yeah,
from
ma'am.
scratch steps.
Fine, ma'am. No, ma'am.
All those things in Nexus to Nexus.
Yeah.
SonarQube, Nexus, and Maven configurations, and Git source code management. And pipeline also there, guys. Pipeline also we have to discuss. Okay.
Okay.
So first, and one step is there, and we have to install the Slack. Everyone just to type the Slack SLACK. SLACK. Please go to Google and download the Slack in your laptops. Just checking purpose only. Just I'm explaining, just checking purpose only. You can go to Slack installation